Vedang Raina to replace Shahid Kapoor in Vivah Reboot. Insider reveals that all-exclusive Suraj Barjatya is on a spree. After casting Ayushmann Khurrana and Sharvari for his upcoming family drama, the director is now also planning another movie. A source close to the director has exclusively revealed that Barjatya is planning to revive a few of his cult classic films and turn them into modernage dramas. The insider revealed that after casting Ayushmann as Prem, he has decided to create a new-age version of his cult film Vivah, which originally starred Shahid Kapoor and Amrita Rao, and Vedang is the top contender for the lead role. The source further told us, Suraj has, as per the update, already approached Vedang, but there is no confirmation yet on whether he has taken up the role. Earlier, while talking about starting the shooting of the Ayushmann Khurrana starrer, Suraj told PTI, "I've had this nervousness before the shoot of every film. This has been there even when I made my first film, Main Pyar Kiya. It's nervousness still the same. As a creator, it's not about how much box office numbers it will do. It's about whether you're able to connect or not with that thought or scene. For me, whether it's a film or a show, everyone should feel that the world I'm creating is honest. It shouldn't look fake. Everyone should feel that this is how my house is. That is my biggest challenge. I want to make what I know. It's important to make every kind of film, but it's important to make family films," the 61-year-old director added. Vedang was last seen in Jigra, co-starring Alia Bhatt. The movie, directed by Vasan Bala, was an emotional drama based on a brother-sister duo. The actor has quite an interesting film in his kitty as he has collaborated with Sharvari for Imtiaz Ali's Next.as per midday, a source, while revealing the plot of the film, shared, set in the 1940s, the movie looks at partition and its aftereffects from the lens of two lovers. While Sharvari plays the young female lead opposite Vedang, Imtiaz is in talks with two more leading ladies for other prominent roles, as the film revolves around different generations of families. Vivah 2006 is a romantic drama by Suraj Barjatya, following the arranged engagement of Prem Shahid Kapoor and Poonam Amrita Rao. Their love deepens through family values and traditions, but tragedy strikes when Poonam suffers severe burns before the wedding. Check latest Bollywood news updates, events and award shows, upcoming Hindi movies releases, exclusive interviews, box office collections, reviews, trailers, and more. Click here to add as your preferred news source on Google. Download the